Hi there, I'm Jonas, one of the co-founders of the LPagery AI rank tracker, and I'm going to guide you through how it works. So first things first, we need to add a keyword. And here we have two options. We can either directly put in the keyword we want, or especially for local businesses, we can automatically generate keywords and prompts from a combination of services and locations. So if you have if you're a lawyer, so in this example, we have a lawyer website and you have traffic ticket defense, parking ticket defense, and let's say accident case representation, and you are present in Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, and Jersey City. You can see here that we generate keyword combinations, 3 services times 6 locations, and this just saves us time in manually adding the keywords. So the generated keywords are here now. And as you can see, all of these are combinations from the services and the tickets above. And if you want to do just regular keywords, you can do so by adding these. And these two are linked together, so the ones we generated here appear here. So if you want to add some non-combination keywords, you can do so here. But for now, we're going to head back over here, and let's just delete some of those so we do not take that much time. And let's generate the AI prompts for these keywords. Yeah, and this will going to take some time, so let's skip that. So now that the prompts are ready, we can see that we generated 40 prompts, 5 for each of the 8 keywords. You can see here we have 5 out of 10, and we can either edit, delete these one, or add prompts. You can have 10 prompts per keyword. So this is enough for each keyword, and each of these prompts will be sent to the AI chatbots and will be checked if you're ranking or not. So for this, I'm gonna just keep it as it is. Most of the times the prompts are pretty good. And then we can start our AI analysis and go to dashboard. This will actually do the analysis of each of the 4 chatbots and see how you rank for each prompt and keyword. And here we are in the dashboard. As you can see, some of those are progressing right now. This will take a few minutes. And after that, you will see the results. So while some of the results are still pending, we have already some updates here. So for example, you can see the traffic ticket defense Jersey City. We have the local indicator here, and we are not ranking for this. So when we head over there, we get a complete analysis on all of your competitors. And for example, these are all of the competitors for the website I ran. And when you go down here, you can actually see all the responses from each chatbot. So here are all the prompts, and then you get results for all of the different chatbots, and you can check directly how they responded. And if you want, you can mark certain competitors. So if you're like, okay, I want to track this one and this one, then you get detailed analysis on those, or you can filter by just these 2 if you say, okay, 5 of the examples were not really my competitors. So that's that. And the last thing I want to show you is when you go back to your dashboard, you have the tab suggestions here. Sorry, I butchered this pronunciation, but as a German, this is really hard. I don't know why we called it that, but maybe we need to rename it. So here you can have here you can see all the suggestions for the prompts you are not ranking for. So, for example, we are not ranking for the prompt, are there affordable options for traffic ticket defense? This one's pretty broad, and if this was a real case, I would probably go ahead and edit this prompt. So let's take a local one for Bronx, and then we can see, okay, we need to add this to our website's meta description title tag, and we can also see that we can post something on our Facebook page regarding this keyword, and this would also help in ranking higher in the search bot AI bot responses. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. We have a lot of features up next, especially for local businesses, helping them to really rank higher, but also the agencies and all other businesses. We are really working hard on a much better suggestions system. Sorry again. And to really know and understand each website that you have, and to give real real good examples on what you can add and what you can maybe fix and whatnot. All right, I hope you found it useful, and see you.